In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a chart in Smartsheet so you can turn your data into a clear and easy to understand visual report. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the workspace containing the data you want to chart. Next, click the Create button and select Dashboard. Charts in Smartsheet are created and displayed through dashboard widgets. Once your dashboard opens, click Add Widget and choose Chart from the list of available widgets. Now click Add Data and select the sheet or report that contains the data you want to visualize. After selecting the source sheet, highlight the data range you want to include in your chart. Make sure to select both the labels and the corresponding values. Click OK to connect the data to the chart widget. Smartsheet will automatically generate a chart based on the selected data. You can then customize the chart type, labels, colors, and display options to match your reporting needs. If needed, resize or reposition the chart widget on your dashboard for a cleaner layout. Review your chart to make sure the data is displaying correctly and make any adjustments as needed. That's it, you've successfully created a chart in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.